Hey, how's it going? Alex here. And if you are looking to unwind your day after work, after workout, or just like chilling, watching TV, this right here, this massager that this brand RENPHO sent to me for this video, I have to say that I have another one of their devices and this one caught my attention. Not only because it is really easy to use, not only because also you can remove this and wash it in case that you have stinky feet or something like that. Also because it comes with a remote controller. But the best thing about this one is that the previous one had heat. That's okay. This one has heat and cold therapy, which is new to me. It's actually news to me. And it is right here on the center. I'm going to show it to you. And then we're going to do a little bit of a demo because this thing is crazy good. So the cooling therapy, the heat therapy is going to work like any other one, and it's going to go from 40 up to 40 Celsius. You also get like 131 Fahrenheit. But the cooling therapy is going to work with those fans over there. Those fans over there in the metal plate is going to be the thing that is going to actually cool down your feet. So again, if you're looking for that after a long day of work, that could be a really nice thing to have. Well, having the remote controller makes everything easier. And of course, this feels really nice as soon as you put your 2 feet in. You can be barefoot, you can be with the socks. Remember, you can wash this. And then you're gonna just like turn it on and you're all set. Starts with the bottom of your feet, then also has some compression. You have a timer, you have the pressure as well, the intensity. You can also turn on the kneading pad as well, and then the heat and the cooling. I have the cooling right here on, and I gotta tell you that it feels phenomenal. It feels phenomenal. I'm not gonna use the heat. You also have the heat, but just having the compression at the same time that is cooling on your knee, on your kind of like ankles or the bottom of your feet, it feels fantastic. I do have to say, this may be one of the best, if not the best massager that I tried before.